Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget with Citizens Financial Group step by step clearly. Begin by determining your financial goals. Identify both short-term and long-term objectives. Gather all your financial statements in one place. This includes bank statements, pay stubs, and monthly bills. Next, calculate your total monthly income. Include all sources such as salaries, freelance work, or side gigs. Now, list your monthly expenses. Separate them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable expenses can include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Review your spending habits from the past few months. Identify areas where you can cut back. Using a budgeting app or spreadsheet can help streamline this process. Once you've outlined your expenses, compare them to your income. Ensure that your total expenses do not exceed your total income. If your expenses are higher, consider revising your spending plan. Set aside a portion of your income for savings. Aim for at least 20% for savings and investments. After establishing your budget, monitor it regularly. Adjust as necessary based on changing financial situations or goals. Use budgeting tools provided by Citizens Financial Group for added support. Their resources can help you track your progress effectively. Review your budget monthly to ensure you stay on track. Celebrate small milestones to encourage continued diligence. Over time, refine your budget as your financial situation evolves. Stay committed and adjust your financial goals as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.